First, we're going to look at how to add the calendar to your list of Google Calendars. You have to do this one time for each calendar that you're looking to add. So I've opened up the Hiawatha Laptop Calendar chart. So this shows me the links to all of the calendars. I can choose as many as I would like to add to my list of calendars. For example, if I was in the wing near some multi-purpose rooms, I might want to add Laptop Cart 1, 3, and 8 because those are near me. The one over by room 28 might not be anywhere near me. The 61 is not going to be near me, so I may not add those. If you're over near room 61, maybe add room 61 and choose another one that might be near you so that you have a few to choose from. To go ahead and add the laptop cart to my calendar, I really just have to click on this link. So for example, if I want to add cart 8, I click on it. It shows me this link to Google Calendars. I click on that. And here it asks me if I want to add Hiawatha Laptop Cart 8 Calendar. I just hit add, and it will show up. And down here it says calendar was added. It'll show up in my list of calendars over here on the left. So here's Hiawatha Cart 8 that I just added. I can also see some of the other ones that I might have added. Once I add them once, I don't have to go back to that list. I just come to my Google Calendar. So let's just say I want to go ahead and reserve one of these laptop carts. I just go ahead to my Google Calendar. So I've opened up Google Calendar. If you're not a calendar, you could always use these Google Apps tool drawer or Chiclets, Waffle, whatever you want to call that. I go ahead and choose the laptop cart that I want to reserve. So for example, this one. And you can see I have multiple things turned on. I have a lot of calendars. Find the date, or I can move ahead to the next couple of weeks. Maybe I want it next week. I just go ahead to find the time slot where I'd like to use it. So let's just say noon on Wednesday the 9th. If I click in there, it automatically comes up with a reservation. I'll put my name in there so people know it's me who has the cart. I have to choose the calendar down here because by default, it's going to put it on my personal calendar, and that's not going to be helpful. Other people are not going to know that I reserved it. So if I click on the little drop down next to my name, I can go ahead and find the Hiawatha Laptop Cart 8 where I want to actually reserve it. And so right now I have it from 12 to 1. If I want to make it longer, I can change these times. I can also just stretch it out in the calendar. But you want to make sure it's on the correct calendar. I'm on the Hiawatha Laptop Cart 8 calendar. I'm on the right day and time. Some people like to hit the more options, see a little more detail. Here you can go ahead and set the times in a little more detail. You can see the Hiawatha cart here. You can make any notes. But when you're ready, after you have your appointment in, hit save. And now I have this reservation, and everyone can see that I have it at that time. If somebody else wants to choose a cart, maybe they can choose one of the other laptop carts that's also in the multi-purpose room, so they can make a reservation on that one. All right, I hope the video helps out, and I hope that things go well with the cart. We'll talk to you guys again soon.